Hello, everyone. Wow, look at this. It's 1 o'clock, and the sky is lighting up already. Yeah, that's one. Like yesterday when last Saturday when I was camping, it didn't start really lighting up till 3:30, 4 o'clock. But now it's like quarter to one, and it's getting light. Um, Probably because it's a very clear night. Stars, you see the stars everywhere. I did a video on the stars. I did something with my phone and I was able, the stars actually showed up on the video. So yeah, quarter to one. I just checked the time. Actually, midnight 44. Oh, cool. Wow, I'm having an awesome time. I wonder if those people are still. Look at that. Oh, wow. Over the river. I think those people are gone. They're like family. Yeah, they were there. Wow, so beautiful. I don't want to disturb those people if they're still there. Oh, is that duck? Red seagull. Wow, look. So beautiful. Yeah, those people are gone. What kind of bird is it? So unusual. Look how beautiful. Wow. Quarter to one. I don't even want to talk loudly. There's someone sitting there. That bird's flying. It has like a long neck. I think it's a goose. It sounds like a goose. Look at that. So beautiful. Not even 1 o'clock in the morning. Quarter to one. Oh, some guy seems to be fishing here. Oh, that was the guy with the flashlight on his head. And now he settled down and is fishing. I was searching all around the water with a flashlight. And even shine the flashlight on me. Okay, he's looking this way. Look at the stars. Are the stars coming up? And the guy probably thinks I'm videotaping him. I don't want to annoy him. Like he was annoying me. It was him and his friend were flashing their flashlight at me on my tent and everything. They didn't say anything, but they were looking for something all around here. Wow. Amazing. Cruella 1 in 1. Nature is so amazing. So it's July 18th, Saturday night, and I'm camping on the beach. And it's cold. It's like 16 degrees or 14 degrees. My fire went out because I didn't have enough wood. I couldn't find enough wood, even in the forest. On the top of the hills, there's a lot of wood, but not here. And not on the beach. Okay, I want to go in my tent because I'm cold. But I don't want to because I want to see this. My tent is not facing this area. Oh, copy. How the sun like reflects in the water. So gorgeous. So stunning. Well, even when there are people around here and they don't really bother me, there are other people like late at night having a fire and a barbecue and a picnic. Like a guy and his wife and his little kid. They left around midnight. And there was some other people there late at night. The only ones that were bothering me were the ones with the flashlight, but they didn't say anything or anything. I wished I had the fire arc going. I just couldn't find enough wood. The stars are amazing. Wow. This is actually even a better night than last week. Well, last week it was much warmer. Um, which is nice, but it was really cloudy. I couldn't see any of the stars. Now the sky is just full of stars. Wow. So cool. Okay, I guess. Yeah, you can see the camera shaking a bit. Because, yeah, I'm shivering. I only got shorts and a sweatshirt. I gotta get into my. I gotta get into my. Oh no, the battery is low. Shit. I got a power bank, but it only charges to like 30%. Okay, I'm gonna get into my tent. I'm starting to shiver. These guys are walking around with the flashlights everywhere. Well, two of them. I'm like walking right past me and everything. Like, what the hell are they doing? I don't think they're cops because they have flashlights on their heads. But it's annoying. Okay, that's the only thing that's annoying. And they're flashing right at me. Very nice. They're walking right around where I'm camping. It's really annoying. That's the only thing that's annoying. The other people were here. It didn't bother me at all. And they're the kind of people I don't trust. Okay. I gotta get into my tent. I gotta put my stuff away. Wow, man. So cool. I don't want to go in, but I should have bought sweatpants, but I didn't have room in my backpack. And the sleeping bag takes up so much space. It's really light, but it takes up so much space. Okay, I'm gonna get into my backpack. Hopefully, I still can see. I mean, my tent. Hopefully, I still can see the stars from inside my tent. Good night, everyone. Gute Nacht, Kamerad.